Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Let us start the first session with Azure Active Directory. Before we start, I want to tell you that you need to go to the outlook.live.com and you need to create an email ID, okay? And once you get an email ID address from outlook.live.com, you can simply go to the portal.azure.com and there you can start your free trial. So for free trial, you need to register a credit card details. The trial is free and you're gonna get a $200 credit card uh, value. So I already did that. So you can just create an Outlook ID, use that ID in portal.azure.com and that's it. So let us start with the Azure Active Directory. So to reach to Azure Active Directory, as you can see over here, because I have used it recently, but in case it does not appear here, simply go to the this option over here, 3.4 lines and all services, and in the all services there is a called identity and the one is Azure Active Directory. So another way to reach is simply type here Azure Active Directory and you can open it. So there is a Azure Active Directory over here and that's the basic one. In this Azure Active Directory there are a couple of options over here. So if we go to the users, right now the default user is the one associated with my email ID. Okay, and I'm gonna create a new user. It is pretty simple. Create user and username is test1, name is John, and the password, let me set up a password. Password should be complex as per the policy and okay, done, and just simply click on create. So the user has been created. That's another way you can go, new user, and here is test2. Okay, Apple, and let me create password and create, and simply click on create. So the complete username for you is now, that is test1 at trainermukesh1989 outlook.onmicrosoft.com. So that will be the name. Similarly, there's another user. You can create new guest users and invite a new guest user to collaborate with your organization. This user will be emailed an invitation they can accept. So in case you want to have an invitation to some of your friends, or you want him to be part of this, so what you can say, name like, and here is and a personal message, and he's gonna get an invitation. When he log in to his Outlook account, he's gonna get an link. He need to click on the link and he will be automatically get join. This user is a guest. So this is the way to creating a user in the Active Directory. And again, if you want to go back, simply go back to default directory and there are groups. So creating a group, new group, and is normal. Group name is my group, and owner, you want to select a owner for this group. You can select the main user, or you can select any user you want it to be. Members, I want members, the John user to be member of this, so I'm selecting and done. So I have added one member to this particular group, but you can add more. Like if you forgot to add, so what you can do, you simply go and go to the members and click on add members, and I want to add another member. Done. So that's the way for creating a users and groups and assigning users into those groups. Now there are a few more things we'll discuss in upcoming video. Thank you.